Yeah. Kanti akukho njalo. And as actors guys, sisebenza kanzima and siyayinikela emsebenzini wethu. Thumbs up to actors, whether you are new in the industry, whether you've been in the industry for so long. Thumbs up bafowethu, niyasebenza. Uyabona kunamacala eniwathwalayo engamelanga ngabe nawathwala ngoba kuleke communication. Yabo? Ma production ngithanda ukufa. Ngithanda ukufa. Kodwa bengicela ukuthi silungiseni endaweni yama actors i-communication engazi ukuthi singayibamba kwi-communication, then zonke izinto irana smooth. Bese kusala ngokuthi ifamily nefamily Nkosi yami iba nezinto zakhona that we understand, we try, we push. Masivela la ema-TV kuthiwa hayi u-actile. You don't know what goes through behind the scenes. You don't know and you don't wanna know. Yikhona ukuthi siyakhona ukuthi sikhave amahlazo wemindeni yethu ngoba you can't take your dirty laundry and hang it out there. So namhlanje ngikhuluma kakhulu nge-communication. Nathi ma-actors you can't mhlawumbe uyangena kusasa ungena u-8 uzoshutha nabantu nje ama-actors ushutha nawo and wena uvuka ekuseni une-allergy umlomo udumbile ungaka and then you decide not to go to work because udumbile. You go to work bakubona emsebenzini ukuthi shame akekho right. Ake sithi ukumnikeza ngoba kuhlale kunama-medics emsebenzini uma siyosebenza. Mhlambe bakunikeza i-medication ezokwehlisa, I don't know, ke kulindwe kubotha wehlini, kuswipe ama-scenes. Communication even kuthina. We can't just decide and do. Because time is money. Akuvumelekile ukuthi udelay izinto uma siyoshoot. No, we are not allowed. Nobody is allowed to do that. Uyabo? Don't waste isikhathi esethini. No, it's not allowed because time is money. Yeah, communication, guys. It's highly important. Thank you.